One pamphlet changed everything. Paine's Common Sense convinced Americans that independence wasn't rebellion, but their destiny. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Thomas Paine arrived in America in 1774 nearly penniless, an English immigrant with a sharp mind and a deep hatred of tyranny. Paine wasn't wealthy or powerful. He worked as a journalist and spoke plainly, writing for farmers, laborers, and tradesmen, not elites. In January 1776, Paine published Common Sense, a short, explosive pamphlet that openly called for complete independence from Britain. Paine attacked monarchy itself, calling kings unnatural, hereditary rule absurd, and declaring that an island should never rule a continent. Unlike earlier protests, Common Sense didn't ask for rights, it demanded freedom. No compromise, no loyalty to the crown. The pamphlet spread like wildfire, selling over 100,000 copies. Soldiers read it, taverns debated it, minds were changed. Common Sense pushed Congress toward action, helping turn rebellion into revolution and paving the way for the Declaration of Independence. Thomas Paine didn't command armies, but his words armed a nation, proving ideas could be as powerful as guns.